I'm stuck here in traffic. I'm headed to Cliff Notes. Binary Sound Machine has a performance on May Day, which is today. May Day, the day of anarchy, the day of revolution. We're having anarchy on the sidewalk. It's on Cliff Notes.
I'm running a little bit late, and I go and I see like this smoke coming out of it. I thought it was kind of like a bookstore. It's like borderline residential. I saw you were out. And I looked back, and I just saw like people coming out. I said, you know what, I could die. And then I'm like, oh, that's not people, I could die. And I just drive by there, and I rush around, and I go out there, and they're like a little schoolhouse with children. I guess like Saturday school or something. And I'm just like, dude, what do you guys think?
Symphony happened on the sidewalk today, on the street, and everybody participated that was involved. Everybody came, they picked up an instrument,
I was in it,
they jammed
I was tripping out the music, just let it feel me. There were some exciting moments. Overall, it was really exciting. I was just lost in it, and I looked up and there's about 4 people around me just jamming out.
Please, all in all,
a good time was
all in all. Yeah. We're out here on the sidewalk. Take a look around. There's cars going around. It's about to rain up there. We're in front of Cliff Notes right here on May Day, the revolutionary day, the day of anarchists, the day of anarchestral soundscapes, symphonies on the sidewalk. We are taking it to the streets right here in Cliff Notes in Oak Cliff, Dallas, Texas.
Arts District, Tyler Davis Arts District, and we just moved right next door to the Kessler, a bigger space, and we're really excited to be here. And we had a Binary Sound Machine kicking it pretty hard out there for a couple hours.
You know, it's spontaneous. People stopped by, were playing with the Binary Sound Machine. It was great. I loved it. My name is Carlos Salas. I am co-owner of Cliff Notes Prolonged Media, Oak Cliff's only bookstore. And I guess that's about it, right?
We gotta get a grant. We gotta get a grant. We gotta get a grant.
I laughed and cried. I laughed and cried. I laughed and cried. I laughed and cried. I laughed and cried.
We gotta get a grant.
I laughed and cried. I laughed and cried. I laughed and cried. I laughed and cried. I laughed and cried.
We're not a band though. We're not a band though. We're not a band though. We're not a band though.
We gotta get a grant.
Orchestral
We gotta get a grant.
I laughed and cried. I laughed and cried. I laughed and cried.
We gotta get a grant.
Symphony
We gotta get a grant.
and
We gotta get a grant.
orchestral
We gotta get a grant.
symphony
We gotta get a grant.
and orchestral
We gotta get a grant.
symphony
We gotta get a grant.
and orchestral symphony